Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this cute Christmas card all on Canva. So let's get started. All right, y'all, so I'm going to create this from scratch. So I'm going to click on create a design and I'm going to customize it, and the size that I'm going to create is going to be in centimeters. I'm going to do a card which is 14.8 by 10.5 centimeters, and that's roughly about a 4 by 6 card inches. So I'm going to hit create a new design. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start by selecting a background color, right? So I want like a blue sky. Let's see here. I've got one in mind. Like I know, so because I've done this before, obviously. So I'm going to use one that I know. So I'm just going to put the number in. So that's 13C3DB, and it comes up right here. There we go. That's the color I want. Yeah, perfect. Okay, and so now I want to place some snow. I want to place some snowflakes on top of the blue background. So I'm going to go to my elements and I'm going to type in, let's see here, falling. So it's winter time, and let's say snow, winter snow. Let's see what happens here. Okay, here we go. Let's see what this one looks like. No, no, don't like that one. Yeah, this one's perfect. Okay. And I'm just going to try to extend it. I'm hoping that the circles, yeah, I thought so. So the circles are getting bigger. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to try to make it the size I want. Yeah, there we go. And I'm just going to copy and paste. Just the way I want it. Let's see here. What happens if I put it here? Let's see. That's not bad. All right, let's try copying and pasting it and putting it down here this time. And then copy and paste. I'm going to try something different here. I'm going to flip it. Let's try horizontal flip. See how that looks. I'm going to do that. I'm going to try one more. I'm going to try vertical flip. I'm trying to just make it where there's enough snow. Just bring it over a bit. There's not a lot of patches, as you can see, like right here. I might bring that one down a bit here. Let's see here, yeah, okay. And then I'll do it again. Let's try this one here. Oh, that one here, paste. And yeah, that's not bad. And then one more, let's do this one here. We'll copy and we will paste it around here. Maybe up a little bit more. Let's see how that looks. Okay, good. Perfect. So there's my snowflakes falling from the sky. And now I'm going to do the snowbank. So the snowbank that the penguins will be sitting on or standing on. So I need a circle. So we'll go back into elements and we'll go to, let's see, circle. Perfect. And we'll make it white as snow. And there you go. Okay. I'm just going to stretch it out as big as we can. I don't want it too much of a circle, so I want it to look more like just, I guess, an oval. And bring it down. I think I need to stretch this out some more. Bring it down more. Yeah, there we go. A little bit better. And just bring it down. Okay, good. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, that's not bad. Might bring it down a little bit more. Okay, so next, I need to go back into my elements, and I want some penguins. So I'm just going to type in penguins at Christmas time. So let's type in, let's see, Christmas penguin. I want a graphic, so I'm going to click on graphics. Let's see here. Here we go. There's one. Okay, I like this one. I need 3 to fit along here. So let's get something else here. Let's do, oh, here we go. There's another one. And one more. One more with a Christmas hat on it, a Santa hat. Let's see here. What if I go info and view more from that artist and see if anything comes up here? Oh, they got a lot. This might take me forever here. So what I'll do is, I think I'll just go back and type in my search. Christmas penguin and graphics. Let's see. I want something just as similar as these two. Um, hmm. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with this little cute one here. He's too grumpy, and yeah, I don't like that one. So let's put this one, place it right up on here. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna make them bigger. Let's see here. Yeah, that looks good. Place them on the snowbank. There we go. To the next one here. I want them to be about the same size. Okay, and last but not least. And yeah, I'm just gonna move down a bit here. Move more to the center. And then, yeah, just gonna be right there. And you can stay right there. There you go. Perfect. That looks good. Yeah, I think that looks good. I'm just gonna, I feel like I should bring the snowbank down some more, but no, I think I like it. Just like that. And so that's it, y'all. Like, it was really quick and easy putting this together. I love making Christmas cards. I just love the season in general. For those of you who are asking where I print my cards, I actually here in the UK use two companies, and they are print.com as well as Penny Batch. So I will provide those details down below. But to me, they were the best. I mean, obviously, there's a whole bunch you can choose from, but the quality of the print and the colors came out beautiful. You'll see a difference. Like, obviously, I with Penny Batch I went with a matte look, and then with print.com I went with a glossy look. So you can kind of tell the difference, but they still look beautiful. I loved it. So, and it's affordable, and there's so much you can do. I find there's more you can do with print.com, and then they have a whole lot of things that you can print because it's an online printing company, really. Whereas Penny Batch is more, they do more of like personal type art, where it's like by hand, I guess you would say. And then there's just a variety of things you can do, like canvas and like a greeting cards in this sense. And they have different sizes. You can do square, you can do 4x6, you can do a little bit 5x7, I believe, in inches. And yeah, it's just really, that's who I use. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. And thank you again for watching my video. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Y'all take care. Bye.